So as a marketing NCO, you will make several purchases, and there's times when you will have to say no. You have to ask yourself questions. Is it legal, moral, ethical? Is it within our commander's intent? Can we show return on investment on that purchase? These are things that you have to look at before you make those purchases, and your regulation will definitely walk you through that. And believe me, it is okay to say no when you have to. You have the commander's authority to say no to anything that is not legal, moral, or ethical. So can we get leads from it? Our only intent as a marketing NCO is brand awareness and lead generation. Hey, recruiters hate to hear no, but sometimes you have to be that person to do that. But always give your recruiters a second option. Let's find a way to say yes.